Hey, what is up, guys? It's Alejandro here once again. Haven't vlogged in a while, but just haven't really been able to do much in a while. I mean, I just finished college, my first semester. Don't get too excited. So I'm available for about 5 weeks. Free to do whatever the hell I want to do. It's all good. But what we're doing today is we're driving way out of town. We got to go real far away because we're going to IKEA. I haven't been there since I was probably about like a little kid. 8 years old. Yeah, that was like 10 years ago. The reason why we're going there is because I want to get a new desk and replace the old desk that I have right now. I'm still going to use the old desk, just not as a main desk. Maybe I might use it for like a study area for like whenever I get back into college 5 weeks later. But right now, it's just gonna be there. And yeah, this desk is a little bit bigger than the other one and more up to date. That's important, because a desk that's like so old, that's just, there's not a whole lot you can do with it. I mean, sure, you can put stuff on it, but it depends on like how it's built. And like the back of it is like completely flat, and I wanted to get like a monitor stand. Well, I want to like be able to how do you mount monitor mounting. I wanted to mount my monitors, not on the desk. Well, yeah, to the desk. And for both of them, all in one. But the problem is the back of the desk is completely flat, and I can't do that. So that's why I'm getting a new one, so I can do more with it, and I have a little bit more room, because the desk I got right now is just really small. It's a small desk. Got a river. We're on a bridge.
That's the ship show.
Yeah. I see buildings. Lots and lots of buildings.
That's a condominium for homes.
The one with the green roof?
Yep.
Interesting. We made it. Let's go. Alright, so we're about to walk up to IKEA, and there's something I want to tell you guys. For some reason outside, it's so goddamn hot. In December, it's December 10th, and it's hot as hell. Like, isn't December supposed to be like the cold month? It's winter, like, come on. And it's not really it's not as hot as I'm saying it is. It's like probably like 79, 80 or something. I don't know, but still very hot for December. Anyway, we're gonna go to IKEA. We have to walk a little bit. Actually, it's like really far away, so it's gonna take a while to get there, making us park all the way at the back. To the entrance. We got some furniture and stairs that move. Interesting. So it turns out we actually have to go up for the desk. It's gonna be upstairs. I want to go up that cool thing. I don't know what to call it. I forgot what it's called. It's been like 10 years since I've been here, and I barely even remember it. Whoa. I haven't been on these in a while. It's kind of scary. Yeah. We don't have many of these. Not from, as far as I know. I haven't seen it. That was the scariest shit ever. We're just walking around. We don't even know where to go. I don't remember this place at all. Like, when you haven't been here in a while, you're not gonna remember nothing. That's not the same desk. Look at this laptop. It's so light. Oh no, they broke it. It's also really old. I don't think it's a real one though. It doesn't even have a logo on it. So, yeah. I like the sets they have. It's pretty cool. They got kitchen sets and everything.
Number 6, we're going to the wrong way.
Wow, free iPad. It's stuck. That's not fair. We found the area. It's somewhere. We gotta find the exact desk. There's all kinds of desks, but it's a very specific one I'm trying to look for. They also have chairs too, but I have a chair without a headrest. That's a different one. I thought I found something. Interesting setups. Huh?
I don't see your desk.
That's weird. A standing desk. Bring it down to the ground. Like all the way down. How far does this go down? The fuck? That's crazy. Let's bring it to the highest ever, so I could see if I'd be able to handle it while standing up. No, that's crazy. That's like really high up. And this ain't even real. Everything here is fake, even this MacBook. What's up, guys? All right, got all the pieces. All right, my mom has it because I'm weak. Okay, now I have to wait for my mom to get over here so we can put all the stuff in the car. Let me tell you, the drawers are heavy as fuck, man. Like, I could barely lift that shit. So, like, I don't know how that's gonna work. But the tabletop is not that bad. It's pretty light. It was made in Poland, you know, the place where Lil Yachty took the walk to Poland. What that means? Y'all went crazy over that. So we got the desk. It's back there. Drawers are under it. The drawers are so goddamn heavy, but we got it in. It's all good. So now we're just gonna go find somewhere to eat. We already know where to eat. We're going to Chick-fil-A. But yeah, it's I'm sweating so much because like I'm over here running outside and it's so goddamn hot and all that. Like, it's crazy. But yeah, let's go. We just left Chick-fil-A, guys. I didn't film nothing there because it's Chick-fil-A and there's like nothing interesting to film. It's just eating. That's it, you know. I don't think you guys want to see me eat, so I didn't record that. We're about to go home now, and the moment I get home, I gotta build a desk. Yeah, we don't know nothing about this place, so it's kind of hard to get out. There's actually a Dave and Buster's over here. Never been there before. We're probably not gonna go here anytime soon. It's kind of like you know, like
An entertainment space.
Exactly,
Bowling
yeah.
alley.
Yeah, there's like all kinds of stuff there. I mean, you can tell by the building size if you can see that. And like, I've personally never been there. I've only been to like maybe like Chuck E. Cheese and like some other places that are like somewhat similar to it. but probably not as good. I don't know. Like, yeah. Time to get back home, build this desk. Probably not gonna record it because, like, I don't really have nowhere to put the camera at. Like, I'm in a small space, all right, so it won't be very easy to build nothing and record at the same time. But, you know, I also have to move that other desk out of the way. So yeah, it's a whole nother thing. Got downtown Houston, guys. Getting closer to that. And also, we just saw a dog, like, in the back of a truck. And we're on the fucking highway. Like, what the fuck? That's not safe. Like if you're, like, going on a highway, like, don't take your dog with you and put him in the back, bro. That's just not cool. Like, if you get in an accident, that dog's going down, all right? Just saying. Downtown Houston, woo, what's up? Yeah, that's the downtown area. I don't live near here. I live like 30 minutes away, but it looks pretty cool.
That's why it's slow.
It's getting really slow here, guys. Just taking a while, you know. People do graffiti on there.
Yeah, this is where a lot of graffiti.
How do they even?
That'd be someone.
How do they get up
Over
there?
that, and people got mad.
How do they get up there though?
On the back of vehicles, or they do it from the top.
Nah, I don't think they're supposed to do that. That's a train track, ain't
It
it?
is a train track, yes. No, they are not supposed to do that.
That's crazy. Yeah.
And this is another exit. That's where you gotta get over.
Guys, whenever I start driving, I probably will not even go on these highways. Not right away, not yet, but like if I have to, then yeah, I'll probably go on there. But like I don't feel comfortable on these.
That's from this aquarium restaurant.
Aquarium?
Yeah.
Yeah.
They have a Ferris wheel.
Yeah, I see the Ferris wheel. It's down there. That looks nice. I'm getting distracted. That's aquarium right there.
There's a restaurant over here. It's called the Spindle Top. And the top of the building's turns into bends.
Yeah.
I've been there.
All right, guys. So I finished setting up the desk. It took about 4 hours, and I gotta say, it looks really nice. You know, I have a lot more room now. I mean, even though this is a 55-inch desk, which is pretty small compared to like what other people get, but you know, I don't really have a lot of room. So this desk actually works even better than I imagined it would. You know, and I can fit my monitor like perfectly fine, no problem. I can keep it straight. It's kind of like at an angle because I moved it just a little bit, just because like I don't know, like at first I was having trouble getting the speaker to like get all the way to the other side, but you know, I can literally fit these monitors like together, next together, straight together. I'm gonna get a stand for both monitors, so it can handle up to 30. These are both 24-inch monitors, so you know, it looks pretty good. I might get like a new mouse pad for like the entire keyboard, you know. So yeah, I got a new mouse. I don't know if you guys seen my mouse and keyboard, but you know, I replaced both of those. And as you can see, I also have a MagSafe charger, which is currently charging my Apple Watch. And this is my PC with the horrible cable management. Yeah, my cable management never gonna get better. And you know, I can actually use these drawers for stuff, you know. The previous desk only had like 5 drawers. This one has 10. So I can fit more stuff, and you know, it's gonna be great. And yes, I forgot to mention that it's literally like 1:38 in the morning. It took me about 4 hours to like build both of the. It took me 4 hours to build both drawers. And I had help with my brother for the first one, but I did the second one by myself. It's actually not as hard as people make it out to be. Like, it's not that hard at all. But like, what I will admit is, you know, it is very time consuming. It takes a lot of time to do it. But you know, it's not hard. It's not difficult. You know, it's actually pretty simple, you know. Pretty easy for me. Maybe I'm just that MFing good. I don't know. When I was building the 4-cube organizer, I actually broke one of the pieces while building it, and surprisingly it's still holding on together, which is kind of scary because, like, you know, I thought it was gonna break, but luckily, you know, it's still standing. It's all good, you know. And you know, so, shit. This desk, I actually didn't break none of the pieces, so that's great. Okay, so I got the monitor stand back there. Set it up this morning. Forgot to record about it. Right now, brother's on it playing BeamMG. What's that? Sheriff?
No. The idea is that this is like sort of like a presidential limo. I have it on moon gravity.
Okay. So, hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and goodbye, and I'll see you later, and Merry Christmas.